So I'll be using this red bell pepper, habanero pepper, plenty onions, and ginger. My water is boiling, so I'll just go in and dip them. So yeah, our maima is on fire. So my beautiful people, our maima is on fire. Let me go and bathe. I think what's the time? It should be, I think it should be almost 8 p.m. right now, even though it's very sunny outside. Can you guys see this goodness? It's almost done. Moimo is ready. I wish there is gari jebu. But I cannot do justice to this moimo. It's gari and cold water. But I don't have any choice. You guys should come and eat. Good morning, my people. Almost see my voice. I just woke up. It's almost 8 a.m. and it's raining seriously. As in, it's giving us 100% rain today. Let me show you guys. Can you guys see the floor? How is it that rain does not show on this camera? You can only see it from the ground. And it's raining, no, seriously. But I don't know if you guys can hear. But and it's 100% today, so it's going to be really wet. So how are you guys doing? What's this one? Pimples. It's not too much. I just woke up, so let me go and check my son. He has not come to our room this morning, because whenever he wakes up, the first thing he does is to come to the room to check us. So he's still sleeping. This is almost 8 a.m. He's not going to school though, because he has cold, he has running nose, So we were told to keep him for a few days. So he has been at home since yesterday. Yeah, he has been at home since yesterday. We were told to keep him at home for at least 2 days. So hopefully tomorrow he will resume school. But the running nose is getting dry already. As of yesterday, it's getting better. So you know, children, once they start daycare like this or school, most of the things they bring home will be catarrh, cough and cold. But this one is not coughing, just the running nose. So hopefully it's better. Let me go and check on him. What kind of sleeping position is this one? Children. He's sleeping. You guys saw him. I'm back to our room. He's still sleeping. When he wakes up, maybe I'll just make noodles for him. That will be fast. I don't know when he'll wake up. Can you guys see the sleeping position? Children. How he turned, I don't even know. I just decided to leave him. I'm sure he's comfortable that way. I don't want to disturb him. It's almost 8 a.m. So I don't know what to make for breakfast. You guys will be wondering, my husband traveled and left us. I'll tell you guys about my husband's travel and where he went to later. Let me go and join my online prayer. It's NSPPD. But the thing is, our own year, it starts by 8 a.m. here. Nigerian is 7 a.m. So 8, and this few minutes to 8. Talk to you guys later. Can you guys see? This rain has not come to joke today. See rain. Ha! The rain is serious. So I checked the weather and it's going to be like this throughout today. It's going to be raining throughout the day. This rain is serious. This rain is here to stay today. Not going out. So this one is still sleeping. It has changed position again. Children can be very funny. How did it turn again? And this is past 9 again. Like 1 hour after I came. He's still sleeping. I'm pitying him. When is he going to stand up and eat breakfast? I don't want to wake him. Children. Ginger. I want to take ginger and lemon. I do that almost every morning. So I'm just grating the ginger. The weather is very cold. I just want to take this lemon water and ginger. Very hot. Busy body, don't eat your food. See who is awake and eating. I want to make spaghetti for myself.